Morning to everybody. So we are doing the exercise 1.1. This is the last question in this exercise. Question number 10. A water tank has steps inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step, that is the first step. The water level is at the ninth step. The first part, he jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps up. In how many jumps will he reach the water level? Am I right? First he what monkey is doing? Yes, he jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps up. Okay, now let us consider the steps moved down are represented by positive integer. Let us assume jumps move down. Let us assume jumps move down. Otherwise, steps moved down, whatever. Steps moved down by positive integer, and then steps moved up by negative integer. Am I right here? Steps moved up by negative integer. Steps move up by negative integer. Right. Now, initially, monkey is sitting on the topmost step. That is the first step. Am I right? So, in the first jump, monkey will be at the which step? 1 plus 3. In first jump. In first jump. This is the first jump. Am I right? So monkey is sitting on the topmost step. That is the first step. So in the first jump, monkey, it starts from the first step and moves down. How many steps? 3 steps. So we move down means we represented by the positive integer. So in the first jump, monkey will be at the step. So 1 plus 3. That is the 4 steps. Are you getting there? Yes. Then again, what? Again it goes up by how many steps? 2 steps. So in second jump, monkey will be at the step. So now monkey is at the 4th step. So again it goes 2 steps back. Then it will be this 2 steps. Now monkey will be at the 2nd step. Then third jump again. He goes 3 steps down. So in third jump, monkey will be at the step 2 plus 3. That is 5th step. It is at the 5th steps. Am I right here? Then again it goes 2 steps back. Then in fourth jump, monkey will be at the step of 5. Now it is in the 5th step now. Then again it goes 2 steps up. So it is represented by negative. So 5 minus 2, it will be the 3rd step now. Am I right? Now in fifth jump, that monkey will be at the step now 3rd step. Now it is in the position of 3rd step. It moved down by 3 steps. So 3 plus 3. That is in the 6th steps. Am I right here? Then again in 6th jump, then monkey will be at the step 6 minus 2. That is the 4th step now. And goes on. Am I right? In seventh jump, monkey will be at the step 4 plus 3. That is 7 steps. Now in eighth jump, that monkey will be at the step, then again it moves 2 steps up, then it will be 7 minus 2, that is what dear? 5 steps. Am I right? So in ninth jump, then monkey will be at the step, it comes 3 steps down, then 5 plus 3, that is 8 steps. Now what is the level of the water? Yes, again come to the question now. I think water level is in the 9th step, I think so. Top modes, the water is at the 9th step, yes. So we have to proceed more. So in 10th jump, monkey will be at the step 8, it goes 2 steps down, then 8 minus 2, 6 steps now. 8 minus 2, 6 steps now. Are you getting dear? Now, in the 11th jump, that monkey will be at the step of, now it is in the 6th step now, and then move down by 3 steps. So 6 plus 3, that is like a 9th step. Now monkey reached the water level. So after how many jumps it reached the water level? After 11 jumps it reached the water level. So this is the question for us. What is the question for us? After how many jumps? Am I right? Yeah. The first question is what? In how many jumps will he reach the water level? So after 11 jump, the monkey will reach the water level. Are you getting dear? Yes. Now come to the second part now. After drinking water, okay, we will see in the next video because it's very lengthy, so it will be very difficult for me to upload. Okay, so we will see in the next video continuation. Thank you dear.